Afia Schwar also what the secret at Abonte.
Oh, Okatakyie Afrifa Replies me be use secret at all so me.
Afia no be asoma. So who cry hard when. Now what Saddick Adams who free this sports at here na.
You are kiti said that you shoot na kika you can say no.
I hate the policy the Triho say Bosom Panyin no di matem. Na mo adwene ye adwuma ni. Bia ntimi hwenu obia. We a boxer na so hu odin a. Koko win titles magana. Eja nkwasasem no. Joshua Kolote wo. Obo boxing nya millions of dollars. Want men fa bia ma me promote Ghana boxing. Munyansem hunu na mutimi hwenu obia. Ana mo say dem akoka Sharaf asem. Enti dia be. Boxers ne say dia. I'm not against or no boy no. Sharaf no ne papa. Ne papa nua na Ibrahim Mama. No mu was candidate. Na akufo de no mo ne busuafo no mboku be. E twa me madapa. Na me say mo anka ma nso mbeka ma se. Oba ye wo de Sharaf ne namu a utu kwan kura na the expense of the taxpayer. Na de ne ka ho ko. Oko kan me nua ayi Saddick Adams.
Na abusia Okatakyie Afrifa-Mensah. Aye na adwen se Ghana mampani yewura John Dramani Mahama. Ne ba ye friend Sharaf Mahama. O ma brantie no enne ne ho. O ma ne nya haban ene na somdue e wo mankronkwa Ghana mu a. Na ni nyina nso akwako jai abrantie ne nano da last weekend ne twam no organize a boxing bout bi me no nam so Anthony Joshua eba ha magana fo bi no mu kire mu se Ghana sika ya brie mu jani atwia tax no ane atabili e de magana mampani ba ye friend Sharaf Mahama Okatakyie Afrifa beso so e mo de ensem no pense mu e de bai me na me ka sei Saddick Adams ni other boxers a Bukom Banku ni Anthony Joshua mu nyina no akasa wo ho am the exclusive no e de ebro ye from Dan Kwasi Prince ha daily view channels mesel say oba no subscribe na busunya no atumi akwaso ayekese na before me dey nsem breakdown details ni bi e de ebebro no. This episode is proudly brought to you by Charistic Company Limited. Omundo zaman capsules so nkwaji bi oya be ma na ohwe me utie me afo aso femi say oyo bi asisi yade e wo so sexual weakness, low sperm count and okoto afade kim na waka wodo yire ukomuchu a okanchema kompem sisi ya na nhwasa ne agufoma zaman capsules no ebemu wagina so brani na bibia no atumi adimu na indoya dida screen so FDA ayem agi atumi say you open do to akofoma herbal stores a unsa abeka mpanifo indoya maboboso yi ebi abusia yemra yensam so last week no na media mane bobi e de ebere obekere o say ena me ka say Ghana mampani yewura John Dramani Mahama ne ba aye friend no Sharaf Mahama eni abrantie ne yesi nani agi boxing ho pan wa organize boxing bout to be me no nam so atitru ni mpanifo be pio man kronkron Ghana mu abukom arena eni boxing chechenche e call so me no nam so yesi Philadelphia so for Steven Adum chedua wo na na kwala ba ko wom no ye boxer ye bonu fumfram you medical de ho ma ne boni bi e de abro me no nam so Okatakyie Afrifa e be kire esie tu esie no
wey koke adwuma we nyina nke be ka kire enkola wo kum wo mu ni suku mu di nyina nke be ka kire manfo ontime distracted anka de wo ko asa dabda bukoti nka de me ye no kuro mu de ne na chiachi asase de abobɔ ayi podua ho de ka me ye no na mponkompo hwirita ne mfu ne so ne no aka mu ye ke di manu de kasama president na de wo ye comedy sia no kura wa nhunu yo nti momfa we no kokɔhwe de no de ne na left momfa ne nko na monko bona senuam social media mommo we ya senuam wo social media na me fa bana basi ni what ade na so hwirehwire na yi so emrechi ya adwo mama ba wanya adwuma da otimi nya ska organize a boxing match ma Anthony Joshua mu nyina ba manfo ne boje so hwehwe wonya sika no wai Sharaf
me no nam so Saddick Adams oye host e wo NGFM so e be so asem ne so
ade ye nipa ba ko especially obi aban ntua ne ka na onye public trust bi ani ne mu say ye de tumi bi ama nti me mfa o masem nya asem e na ono ye menu aketwa nti minim so akoka ho asem kura on kire na adwen kan ko ba bi opeso oka but enye ade a na mo putting it together yes
titles are not anything
yes mo ko twa ba bi na insult to be ho e na mo de no be di first say we attack a person debi one person na obi ntua ne ka ban ntua ne ka na ono so kire na adwen omu ameni omu wa asem e radio si obi a yenya afa ne so ye public officer na o ye adwuma ene de o kana asem a wonim se yama otumi nti o ye responsible obi anti Okatakyie ka e o kroma so onye na adwuma ene obi a so mfa de so onkotena by position bia enti obi putting it together minu aketwa mintimi kana asem mintimi ni natem aha metimi akana asem
of course
ba mintimi ni natem mindi atem o radio so obi a otie me bia nim se mindi atem na enisa me ka ho asem but e bia na e ba be dane se afede odidi atem my adwuma no 19 years in September na matwa 20 mindi atem I did not even know say wako comment was asem no. Until say SK Buzaram, you can't compare restaurant to sports. For me, dear, may biased, especially man who say be our sponsors.
Yes.
To my sponsors and make us say oh my money ska. And what dear, but Buzan so when you ska were here. No appointed to sponsors na I end there no.
Meno na so boxers ni mpanimfo bebre na so aba be kasa e wa brantie na Okatakyie Afrifa Replies na e kwaso no ehun.
So you want to tell me if Ibrahim Mama stand back on Sharaf Mama, he can't do what he has done.
Yes.
Yeah, even if only the father said I will help my son.
The international footballer.
So I don't understand. This man there will Banco, this man we have to beat him. I'm telling you, if you don't want to go there, I will go there alone. And I will beat him. Nobody will arrest me because you want to spoil the boss's career.
But take it easy.
No. Mugabe.
Take it cool.
No.
My brother, don't beat him. If you beat him, beat him. You know something?
No, tell me.
Listen, that Ibrahim Mama Joe Mama family, they are rich men.
They have money.
I swear. Ibrahim Mama is a rich man. Yeah. Joe Mama is a rich man.
So they can't
listen to me. Listen to me. When your father is a rich man, you are picking, you are a rich man. You understand me? Ibrahim, Sharaf Mama do promotion before his father come to president. Oh, you can't tell me that Mama he give that Sharaf money to do the promotion.
Even when president give his son money to do the promotion, is it not helping the up and coming bosses? Is it not giving the money to the bosses? What is this?
Okatakyie Afrifa say mama usrum wodi me yefam brema kamoko eke bugo me gamma for the nation you know gamma for let me tell you something when you mention mama name and Sharaf name you are trouble you do it we go come your studio nobody can catch us in Ghana I swear nobody will catch us in Ghana that be that how we the bank I swear. Because what is the are you talking to this country? And the time Okatakyie Afrifa can go to the Maria.
You are saying that Joshua Krote this is mommy. Joshua Krote no.
Listen,
please.
This guy cannot insult Joshua Krote.
No.
Listen, this guy cannot insult Joshua Krote. This guy, he can't insult me.
He's not Joshua Krote.
I know. He's not maybe small boy. Okatakyie Afrifa.
I said I'm here.
I'm 23 years superstar. Brother, I'm 23 years superstar. I know him very well. He is small boy. Me, I know he say talking because when I listen him talking like a baller. We have to go there. Come have a big time. From this man and they take him like a baller. This guy. Oh, you
are like a bulla, like a bulla.
Let me tell you. When you listen to this talking, Okatakyie Afrifa, when he's speaking in the air, when you listen to him talking, there is no sensible on it. He's talking fool. Nonsense. What we
are saying, just now, the bosses are fighting. Getting small money.
Sharaf decided to own your promotion, dear man. What do you have?
That is what will come. But what will come for the I
Abusia na ensem ne bi eno no me na make say Okatakyie Afrifa san ba biem no kire mu say sanso na omampani dada akufu ado penso no wo kai ne ba yeah ebisi magana fo kasai enti na ode na ba so muje
ana mo say dem akoka Sharaf asem enti dia bayi yanti bi da boxers ne se dia yi ma men kan boxing ho asem na sports journalist fo no se dia yi ma men kan sports ho asem ana morning show for ne etuetu ska mo no o mo didi Okatakyie atem because ma akoka Sharaf asem na Sharaf de moja chan adui na ho ahwan Ojonso de crude oil magana kimi yanka oni jomama asem akufo ado bade e betimi aka wona na mamamuo mu a there is a problem with it na mom se jomama ba ene na mamamuo ni mu a there is no problem with it
precisely
in the picture free so I'm not against or no boy no
never
I am not against him Let's state that record clear. It's not about the guy.
Exactly.
And make some catch it. No offer. And then neck down. So now I'm going to go down so I can't say my minty min train and offer. It go down so by you know. And my say when you are bano, Lordina, the men can ask him. Tomorrow, Lordina, men can ask him for a while. And was I didn't offer I see dear by to me, you know, come and make you
Roman father.
and to go down so. Oh, guy was even over that was being a free. You know. And they say no. COVID and soon we are Lordina ne. We know. Sharaf for dear. May you are more free. Just down Crawford and your man or Moki can be school. Why? Eti nya Sharaf. Nemo na kontani dem uniform wenye. John dem uniform. COVID and so am mabiu. Am wa kontami uniform wenye. If so malam Yohane do na ebu man. Ti me uniform wa. And I know say me nimi nuasa for JNDC kasa. Ono so won so yi president am a free. Na am say na me uniform say. Esa for je. Anti enye yi won na ebu man ti afi wo mo se makobisa se Sharaf nya sika wei na no kura no hwe passing comment me ya na me am ka se o ba betwuma da pa eti ye nyai afi ebinum so Sharaf ne papa ne papa nua na Ibrahim mama no mo we sika deda na akufo de no mo ne busuafo no mbo kube na no mo bo ansa no mo ba ba mu ahu na obi ane na na abaye chief justice akufo de na ne papa ye chief justice of the republic Akufado, Edward Akufado. Who are chief justice of the republic? Akufado papa be ye president of the republic. What's the saying? Pano money what it takes to open a restaurant.
Precisely.
Tie de make yi hypocrisy be kumo.
Pound for pound.
Mo hypocrisy be kumo.
Exactly so.
Ebebo mo tri so. And no ye can be tie Akufado de no because it was wrong.
Precisely.
This whole idea say ye true abama obi a. Dek Nana busuafo ne namu saa and as a nation we are accepting that nonsense as a norm. Exactly. What nation is this? Ya true abama obi. All of a sudden be na Irate foundation. Na why omo opposition who foundation da. Na Irate foundation no. Na ode ne nam private companies so. Mumra me support it. Oh yes, it is a dream now. Why? When I took home and I'm back, I say, I could find a $25 million contract. I'm an ebasu on Conco Penti, a year you were at work. I call you Baba Catcher Mose. And you won't know a your contract here. Now your private companies na asona say. What's the one printer? Mobile I want to me for a contract in a match. But I know Kurano, me will problem with it. Precisely. If so, you're president bar, now call private individual, so we call pay sponsorship. Private individual or interest. It was the who sponsor.
Let them know.
O wianso a wochena wo munya asem na se be ya ban ne ma against them nti no and wo de huhu etitalo oil so be sponsor Sharaf by virtue of Sharaf being in close proximity with the president wo de huhu be yama no so how are we accepting the norm say so be papa be president all of a sudden that person can be going around soliciting for funds from it will cost money 2 million Ghana cedi 2 million 5,000 and you are using it as a yardstick because you go for the yibi
exactly so
ti Sharaf ne na mamemum Saddick Sharaf organize boxing eye kama it boxing for ne say me anka wasem it is even an affront ade we eyanim guase amamu ankasa as a nation omanya yetimu a your Ghana boxing authority your sports authority national sports authority your ministry of sports also say Ghana boxing authority national sports authority ministry of sports say huge national institutions omuntimi organize boxing just a Sharaf ne ko organize
hypocrites
when you correct so enu I say obi use state power e dia building ma e you wrong and obi use state power e dia building ma yankia no ntum oko kan me nua Saddick Adams say you organize be 2024 one and name say 2024 John Mahama was a potential president and don't forget John Mahama has become a president before and now coming so by virtue of so even former president in it alone and no ma ye fra bibi influence peddling precisely what it one amoke kan sem hunu secretary ko kan de yanka bi da Say Sharaf for ye boxing and no. Why adie? There's nothing wrong. Me can cry me kasen kwa adie. Now so said there now no more year you know. You be some the same question. Must munti bida. I don't munti bida. But Timmy mutubi ne hwiama no because say Sharaf. Me and my say Sharaf no you no name target. I'm questioning a ye no. Say ya the papa. Ya to adie abama obi a. All of a sudden na busu for all near awura mamu anim. Yankonko video President Mahama kire de ntia wo si Bosom Arena. Yankonko. So you will realize that President Mahama ni vision and ye president want to say Obama Bosom Arena abeye sports a year boxing for ni nyina abeye adwuma.
Precisely.
Instead so be use state institutions. Ghana Boxing Authority. Ghana Sports Authority. Now all they build this idea no. Or the neba na lead they build this idea no. And almost me question. Because they be why are successful? Yes, it is okay. Now a whole sports authority, Ghana Boxing Authority, and the sports ministry, Kofi Adams. Someone to me organize a year successful boxing match. And to me for Anthony Joshua Madia. And you most sure one Sharaf made the ministry there. Some funubano no. Me asun kwa didi. Afi almost mentibida.
Fire them.
Cause a Sharaf. The Kufuado Badie. Okobie restaurant. Ni a trantro restaurant here see 6 million wawan. Moha money trantro. Emi ajitum. Ya kind of say I'm permanent mo ya adwene. Kufuado ban mo ne na mama muom. If so ya sadia. Yan konko he code of conduct no no joma ma na nkasa ne ba. E da ne hwehwe joma ma video. A wo ka se de enti o si Bosom boxing arena nie. E se wo ye se wo pese wo promote boxing a. Make an na no ayi mi aga se me nua Bosom banku. Ono so abeka bi. Asem na richi. Wa hwa ono wo ka no. Se mre bi obeka so ofili me pa. Eti wo ye no ani di matem. Omo maka ne de. Ayite policy ni tiri ho se Bosom Panyin no odi di matem. Ani asi Joshua Clotte ni ade se ni e ba hwehwe katakye ni abo no. Anya de ehia ni. Joshua Clotte wo obo boxing nya millions of dollars. Want you men fa bia ma me promote Ghana boxing. Na wasuko no ma we wo nana na say wo mra me promote Ghana boxing ma.
What a shame.
What a shame.
What a shame.
Joshua Clotte is one TB da. Ade no so ye per lasting solution. It was China say President Mahama bani ni ho a. Obi antimi promote boxing bio. Ni you use state institutions na ka boxers no mo ho atomo. Ade na make am monte ase. Ade na make am monte ase.
For pound.
Ade ba no. Ni an kan okure okure ni musa. Ade ba no. Dek. Enra na ye Kufuado ba. Ye nyina kaseti ai. Ene ye Sharaf. And I'm saying it's not even about Sharaf.
Never.
It could have been me, it could have been General, it could have been anybody.
Precisely.
So it's not about Sharaf.
Exactly.
But it is the idea here to Obama Obia. All of a sudden, ne bush your phone ramuna. Yeah. Also, private institutions and a sponsor. It is Talo Oil. Now what's Saddick Adams who free this sponsor here? It is Saddick Adams can say can you mention okure? Say na wo churokrata ko Talo Oil la. Ombema sponsorship for sponsor na. And yen free one for a second. Let's pretend say your mama nye Sharaf papa. Ah, your president. It is Sharaf free churokrata ko Talo Oil la. And go sponsor no. Even among kind of kuresa. So by proximity to power, he is using it for other nyoma. Ya kan wasem say you wrong.
Exactly. So
say Kufuado ye na nya ene jo mama ba ya enye
Wrong.
Mosi yanke anuntu.
That's what they know.
Ghana Boxing Authority. Saudi Anthony Joshua beba ya asem ketwa. And yen nyina yenko site ho. Danny, there is a video I made sure said you see Bookie Anthony Joshua make appearance. Sometimes what charge even $2 million.
Precisely. So
$2 million.
all the people.
Before so, and I'm going to buy the president free. They go free. Imagine this cash
Appearance fee.
Or charges sometimes as high as $2 million.
Exactly. So
mun use state institutions no fanye. Most mun use state institutions. Ye ba me ya ba lidi. Anya de papa. Anthony Joshua wonye charity organization. Oh ye event na peso oba na manfo na ni be di akira. Said oba ye manfo na ni adi akiri. Nemo mun use National Sports Authority.
Exactly.
Mun use Ghana Boxing Authority.
Oh, them.
Na munya nsem hunu no.
Hypocritical people.
Ade no. Sharaf so and I know Saddick Adams who no sports in the core reporter say Sharaf no we footballer born wo Bobby way wo Bobby da bay And all of a sudden, you're champions, and you're a boxing coach. Or no, never baby. No, see that you're wrong.
Exactly.
You must state institutions in championing. Sabaya watching us your mom and near Bayamua. Still, I'm boxers and Mohammed Tomo. They can be Abuama, moment to and I'm saying this year from winning tea. There come was a day. You're very red and yabon. And yet, you are one day corner award by record the chain Wababono. Fuck J, a title. And I got say, me record the chair. Then we remember me and I remember. Okay, I'm so now you'll be destroyed. Meaning why people are so fixated on being destroyed or being. Something must be destroyed anyways. Somebody must be destroyed anyways. Why do we live in a world where we feel so self-important? Say, Munyansem hunu na mutimi remember obia. Saddick can't be na no chere kufu adaba. Saddick be can be a chere mo. Oba ye wo de sharaf ne namu a utu kwan kura na the expense of the taxpayer. Na de ne ka hoko. Meka ye na ojaye.
Abusia ensam no tofa na ma chere chere ma bom ma hwetem. Ede ama wa ni nyina mu no na de ekoso ni bi eno no a tankwasi prince mi na me de ama ne bo no ede bere bekoso de ani de akiri na ensem bia ba nso a ye de bebere wo kasafidie so mesew se oba no subscribe na abusia na tumi akoso ye kase before meja meka mo ame akono Charistic Company Limited hindi eba me shan kwajibi uyo bia malaria, typhoid, diabetes, blood pressure na yade tycosro, lower cholesterol ne bad cholesterol no kwaji impenifo endo ya mabuboso ebi zame shan za aji capsules no uyo ba na ohwe me dum fichi kwachi aya na oti ya oti pains ewa sifiduen bro no so bia tumeto nkaso wa konfichi kom ene moja nkeche se eflow edema won se bom ne ma 2-3 days tot na twa zame shan za aji capsules no betumi am wagina so obedro ho afiri yade nsem infertility also prostate problems yade body amfere wase kike bi kire wase so ahu ni nyina yade body wa mpedu edu ebe kan ato fom na wa wodo samba de bebrem na indroi FDI yomaji atum say ye open do to akofomase herbal stores a onsa abeka impenifo indroi bi ye from dan Kwesi Prince Macau.